So how do you stop the brightness from going up by itself on the iPhone? If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get into it. So most likely it's caused by the automatic brightness, which basically adapts the strength of the display of the brightness based on your environment. So if you go outside to direct sunlight, the screen brightness is going to go up, but when you get inside into a darker room, for example, it's going to go down. And you can manage it, of course, inside of the settings when you don't go to the display and brightness where a lot of people might expect it. It's simply not in here, but instead you have to go to the accessibility section and in there find a display and a text size. And in here at the bottom entirely, you should find the auto brightness, and that is the toggle which we are talking about. So you would probably want to disable it if you want to have full control over your brightness, right? And now whatever you set in the control center is actually going to stay, and you don't have to worry about it being adjusted according to some other circumstances, right? There might also be some different things going on. There might be a glitch in the software as well, in which case it would make sense to restart the device or make sure you run the latest version of iOS. But in vast majority of cases, the auto brightness is the reason behind it. So let me know in the comments below if we managed to fix it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the future uploads.